Insiders are buying millions of shares of this short squeeze, low float penny stock, and no one is talking about it. This microcap stock is up 382.72% with almost 50 million shares purchased. That's almost $500 million invested. The stock also has almost 10% short interest on 4.237 million float. This stock is primed for a short squeeze like no one's business. The stock is HUDI, and our Discord members took a live entry on this stock at just $6. The stock rallied soon to $14.83. Here's the live footage. Potentially, this could be the best entry for HUDI. Like, the stock is now over $13. In under 3 hours, our traders made over 100% profits. If you are not in the Pro Discord group already, then click the link in the description so I can prove to you that we can help you make more money than any other trading group. I want you to see it with your own 2 eyes, and I'm willing to put the money up so that you can experience the Pro for free. Click the link in the description. It's going to be the best decision you ever make in your life. Do you remember blue stock? Of course you remember blue stock. We called it out in the last YouTube video on this channel. If you did not like this video already, make sure to do so, because you're helping traders just like yourself make money in the stock market. And how cool is that? Especially because it doesn't cost you anything. Blue stock we called out at $3.75, and the stock is now at a high of $4.62. How awesome is that? Almost 25% profits on our trade, and it was called out just 2 days ago in the YouTube video. Guys, I like making people money. My name is Coach Coda, and my only mission is to help you make a living in the stock market. Almost all of the trades that I publish on this channel are winning trades, and that's because making you money is my priority. That's what I do. All the pro members in the Discord, they are making money when they follow instructions, and that's exactly what I want to be doing with my life. So if you want to be a part of that group, then of course join our Discord, apply for the free trial, make money with us, because at the end of the day, this blue call out was given to you at no charge, even though it took me hours of my own time and effort to find this stock and to research this stock and find a good level for you to buy and sell this stock. Now, should you hold blue in the future? No, I think you should sell blue for some profits here. You can still hold on to some shares, but I want you to take profits. I want you to take the money that we made together and just run with it, okay? This isn't financial advice, but if you happen to buy blue after I called it out, then great, you made money. You made money, and that's what matters. So we're going to go into a few other stocks as well as HUDI. Should you buy HUDI still? The answer to that question, in my opinion, is no. You shouldn't buy HUDI anymore. Why? Because after we bought the stock at $6, the stock went to $14.83, and I told my traders to sell 100% of their positions. I asked them not to bag hold the stock. And that's the big thing, guys. If you traded Hub C or Bed Bath & Beyond or AMC, you know that the big problem with those stocks is that people tend to bag hold them. Traders buy the stock and they don't sell the stock. And they don't sell the stock if it goes up, and they don't sell the stock if it goes down. And the sad thing is, with a lot of these volatile penny stocks, the stock will eventually go down. So whether you have a chance to make money on the stock or not, if you don't sell and take profits, there's no way you can actually make money in the stock market. And my one and only goal is to help you make money. Stop losing money. Start making money. I'm going to teach you how to do that. All you have to do is buy at a good price and sell at a good price on your trades. You have to stop bag holding stocks, right? Stocks that are not going in your direction. You have to stop buying those stocks. Start buying the stocks that are going in your direction. Start buying stocks that are going up. Start trading high quality setups, which I find for you on this channel. Whenever I can, I post them on this channel, but all of my trades are really in the Pro Discord. It does take a lot of time, effort, and research in order for me to find winning trades. So when I find these trades, I give them all to my Pro members. They're all available in the Discord below. But what I want to go into now is how you would trade HUDI if you still own the stock. So HUDI stock is currently at, after hours, about $7.40. This is what I'm talking about when I say a stock is downtrending, because after HUDI topped off at $14.83, the stock began to fall. After hours, the stock went from $14 and it fell all the way to $10. It had a little bounce and then it kept going back down. It kept going down. The stock HUDI had a great run, but the stock eventually came back down. And that's what I need you guys to realize, is that stocks go up and down. They don't just go up and they don't just go down. So if you want to make money, you have to make sure you're buying the stock while it's low and selling it when it's high. Also make sure that the stocks that you're trading are nice and high quality so that you don't lose money on your trades. Hub C and Bed Bath & Beyond and TRKA, those are not high quality stocks. That's why the majority of traders who trade those stocks lose money on them. But if you look at some of the trades that we took in the pro group on stocks like ATOM, the stock only went up. It may have gone down slightly at the start of the day, but eventually the stock just went straight up. And that's why our traders made, thousands of dollars. They made 10%, 15%, 20%, and that's just one trade. You guys recall Blue. Blue went up 25% after we bought it. Another stock that we traded, and I'm just going to give you one more, was a stock called Oscr, OSCR. Look at this amazing trading pattern. After we bought the stock, it just went up all day, came to our profit targets, and we sold it for profit. That's what I want from you guys from now on. Start buying stocks low and selling them high. Start making profit. Don't let bag holding and fear and greed hold you back from being the trader that you were meant to be. If you want to trade with my trading team, you can do so for free by joining the pro trial. You do have to apply. The link is in the description or in the comment section. And once you join, you'll get access to my pro Discord where I go over my trades, what stocks I'm trading, when to buy, when to sell, and hopefully we can make some real money together. You guys have a fantastic rest of your day.
No, I'm just looking at the HUDI. You just hit the 670.
Are you still bag holding that meme stock? Waiting to break even? Have you lost too much money to sell? Stop trusting bad traders. You need Coach Coda, the essential stock trading coach. He's helped hundreds of traders just like you go from losing money in the stock market to placing successful trades. No more bag holding. If you have seen Coach's channel, you know how consistent he is at finding the rare trading opportunities before they happen. If you had Coach Coda by your side from day one, would you have lost your hard-earned money in the stock market? When you become a pro member, you get immediate access to Coach's exclusive trades every trading day. Rocket Trading Pro is so much more than trading signals. You get access to Coach's tight-knit inner circle. Imagine trading alongside a stock market genius. You will know when Coach is buying or selling a stock in his private Discord. You don't have to feel the fear and uncertainty of trading alone anymore. Coach will guide you every step of the way. While we can't promise you will make $1 million your first day, if you follow instructions, you will notice yourself winning more and more of your trades. Pro members are already earning with Rocket Trader Pro right now. Imagine yourself about to place a trade after losing $2,000 on your first trade and $4,000 on the stock Teddy Zane swore would go to the moon. A little scary, right? Now imagine Coach showing you exactly where he is buying or selling a stock while reassuring you of your probabilities of success. He has been trusted by hundreds of new and experienced traders for over 10 years, but you watch his channel. You already know how devoted Coach is to your success. How much money will you lose without your coach? You know you need this. Join now and make the greatest trade of your life.
You've worked with traders in the past who promised the world but gave you nothing. Is it time to work with someone with a consistent track record for success? You know there are cheaper trading memberships out there. But this is your money we are talking about. What is the use of paying less if you don't get the result you want?